Hey everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. We're looking at that very nice 562 XP chainsaw. This is a high performance saw. It has all the latest software uploaded into the carburetor module. And we'll take a look at some of the features it has. Master control is right here. Down is off. Pull out and up is choke. And idle position. Operator presence lever. Has the wrap handlebar. 3/4 wrap they call it. Very nice feature. Side load on your gas as well as the oil reservoir. And these are the high performance motors with the magnesium crank cases. 2 falling spikes. New 20-inch bar and chain. Chisel bit, skip sequence, 3/8 pitch. Skip spacing between the teeth. Chisel bit's a square tooth. File it with a 7/32 round. And 50 gauge is the groove of the bar. Working chain brake. Just a very popular high performance Swedish made chainsaw.